What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any future uploads. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. I love you guys so much. So Chloe's with her dad right now. I figured it would be the great time to clean my vanity, which has needed some cleaning for quite some time now. Don't really know what's going on over there. Don't know what I'm going to do with some of the things, but I'm going to just do a quick cleaning of it. I don't have a huge vanity. I have a decent size collection of makeup. I also don't have much camera life left. And I also look a mess. Forgive me, excuse it, but we're just cleaning right here, right now. So yeah, I'm going to jump right into it because I got like 13% battery and don't have another one on backup. Let's go.